Today, you're going to analyze and compare two different growth patterns. Have you ever played hopscotch on a playground or on a sidewalk? Well, that's going to be what this task is all about. Cora and Cecilia are creating sidewalk patterns. They make their patterns 10 boxes long, and then line their patterns up so they're next to each other. Cora puts 0 in her first box, and then she decides that she will add 3 every time to get to the next number. Cecilia puts 0 in her first box and decides that she will add 9 every time. So Cora went from 0 to 3, and then it would move to 6 because she adds 3. Cecilia's would be 18 because she adds 9. You're going to fill out the rest of this table. How many times greater is Cecilia's number in the fifth box than Cora's number in the fifth box? So go to the fifth box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and compare these two numbers. And then finally, what about the 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to compare the fifth and the 10th one and the 8th. What pattern do you notice for your answers in B? Why do you think that pattern exists? If Cora and Cecilia keep their sidewalk patterns going, what number will be in box 21? So now you're not actually going to list out 21, but you're going to use the information you've gathered so far in order to decide the 21st box. If Cora and Cecilia kept their sidewalk patterns going, what would it be in the box 153, and how do you know? And then finally make a table of the ordered pairs for Cora and Cecilia's numbers. So Cora's, and then Cecilia, and then X, Y. So let's go back to this one. In that first box, it's 3, 9, so this would be 3, 9. And then the second box, it was 6, 18, so this would look like 6, 18. And you're going to list 10 of those. Then you're going to graph the pairs on the coordinate plane right here. And then it says, should the points be connected on the graph? Why or why not? What patterns do you see on the graph? And what does the point 1854 mean? This is your task for today. Good luck. Before you get going, I just want to remind you of some of the questions I want you to think about when you're working on this task. Like, what do you notice about the numbers in the patterns growth? How does the graph help you decide the growth? How does the graph help you predict future growth? What does the point on the graph tell you about the pattern? And can you show the pattern in a different way? Have fun with this task.